They over there asleep. We're down to the last piece of wood. We need some help. Where you at in Dallas, Texas?
Holy shit! Are you fucking kidding me right now? Oh my god!
Can I go up there and pop it back up? I don't want to.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, well.
What the fuck?
There goes our house.
I'm hungry. I was thinking scrambled eggs.
I want to go cheese.
So this is what happens in Texas when the water freezes and you try to drip your faucets.
So that's the inside of the window. Again, the inside. Straight ice.
Someone please help Texans. IDK what I'm doing. FCK this. I did not sign up for this.
So I live in Texas, and we've had no power for the last 28 hours. But good news, the lights are back on.
Oh my god. Fucking room! Oh my freaking. How do I do? What the fuck? What do I do? Oh my fucking god!
For Texas, power is off in many places and no food at the stores. Everything is empty.
No light and no water, and the hubby came up with this so that we could eat because we drove around for almost an hour and nothing is open.
Oh my gosh. I am like actually can't even open my door.
Storm in Texas means no groceries. No bread. No snacks. No meat. No cheese. No water. Priorities. Full parking lot of crazy Texans. I'll update y'all how much.
Chili pants. Chili pants.
Whoever pissed off Elsa, please apologize. Us Texans aren't built for this.
3, 2, 1, and we're live.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are still here in the heart of Texas where there is still currently a blizzard going on. These people, ma'am, they are not afraid of the weather conditions. Ma'am, are you not afraid of the weather conditions right now to be out jogging?
Oh no, never miss a Monday.
Okay, well you heard it here. First 3 inches of snow and this lady is still going. Heading back to you, Karen, in the studio. Ellen Del Rio, signing off.
Oh god. Oh no.
He's waiting for me to play. Mama's here! Mama's here! Mama's here! Mama's here! Look at it. You're here. Can you come get closer to over here for your hair?
Alright, should I try it? Should I try it?
Yeah, try it.
Hey, flip it back. Flip it back. Come over here.
This is great!
Should you take a picture of us?
Yeah, wait. Okay, let me stop it.
Cold as fuck, and we don't know what we're doing. On to San Antonio.
Thank you, Austin. Reporting to you live from San Antonio, Texas, where it is also cold as fuck. We have no clue what we're doing, and HEB is closed. So what the fuck do we do? Let's hear from Dallas.
I heard something. I just walked by that thing too. Yep.
Texas weather.
So when I tell y'all I'm going no motherfucking where, like, look at it's frozen. Like, I can't even. It's a block of ice. A block of fucking ice. Look at. Like, this is fucking Texas. Like, we don't do this in Texas. Look at my tire. I'm going no motherfucking where. I got fucking icicles. Fucking icicle. My tire. In the ice. In the fucking. So, excuse the mess as I work at a hospital. But then I go to unlock my car when the door is frozen fucking shut.
Look at my bird bath.
Ow. Ow. Oh my God. Jesus. I don't know.
Guys, look what I found.
We are going on 30 plus hours of no power in Austin. This is the temperature inside the house. How cold is it, babe?
19 degrees.
And we've got, it's the only way to make food. We've got stew in there. And the house has massive windows, so we are not maintaining any sort of heat.
Stew?
This is what we have on.
Listen, Texas, I know it's crazy right now, but sharing is caring, okay? Y'all done took all the carts. I gotta push my shit around in a box. Y'all done took all the creamer. Like, y'all the only ones that like to drink coffee and shit. Done took all the damn almond milk. Y'all know damn well all I drink is almond milk. What the fuck? They done took all the chips, besides the ones ain't nobody even like. All the water with they thirsty asses. They done took all the good fucking cookies, besides them. They done took all the ramen noodles. Oh, not the bananas. Ain't no bananas. Oh, this some bullshit. Like, who need that many bananas in the first place? Like, you couldn't save me one, not even like the ugly one that nobody wanted. Like, that's just unfair. I like bananas too. Oh, you know what? I bet I could find some fucking peanut butter and jelly. I bet they ain't take all of that. Shit, and I really thought I was about to come here and like come up on some shit. No, y'all done took everything. The bananas, I got four things in my fucking box. In my box, not my cart, but my box.